Tuendelee.
So, opinion, God's love is seen whereby God forgave Adam and Eve after they had sinned to Him. Like even today, when Christians repent, God forgives them. Tatu, God's love is seen whereby even after God sent man out of the Garden of Eden, God Himself gave man new plans and ways on how to search for food for consumption. God's love is manifested through whereby God Himself protects His people from their enemies, as like He protected the Israelites during the Exodus.
So those are how God showed love
Yes.
after the fall.
Yes.
So He looked for them. Simulianza na hiyo. He looked for them because remember they were hiding, right?
Yes.
He provided them with clothing. Most of you wrote that. Providing them with clothing. You can also say He provided them with a means of livelihood. That is, He provided them a way of getting food, to till the land. He also put enmity between the snake and the woman. Enmity between the snake and the woman. He also put a mark on Cain's face. No one talked about that. He put a mark on Cain's face. He also did not destroy all the creation during the floods. He did not destroy all the creation during the floods. He entered into a covenant with Noah. So covenant with Noah. Promised not to destroy creation again. And if you want to explain how He showed that He will not destroy the creation again, is that He gave the sign of the rainbow. So He promised not to destroy creation. He blessed Noah's family. That is what He told them to fill the earth. So here, remember that you have to mention He blessed Noah's family. Read question C.
Identify 6 methods used to punish evildoers in traditional African communities.
People here forgot about traditional African communities, how you punish. You cannot say you give them guidance and counseling. We've already talked about punishing. When you're punishing someone, do you that is where you had a problem. When you're punishing someone, you're not guiding and counseling, right? It's like you're trying to hurt them. So you cannot do something that is positive. If you're punishing someone, you're cursing them. You curse them. They were cursed by they can be cursed by the elders or the parents. They pay fines. Someone was telling me they pay them, which is okay as long as you don't mention money, because remember this is the African traditional community. Also, you deny them privileges. Others were even explaining and saying you're denied from attending some of the social functions, which is okay. And then there's excommunication. This is whereby you're banished from your community, excommunication. Then there's death sentence. You are mocked, you are ridiculed, there is beating, you are reprimanded. What is reprimanding? Si kule kuteteshwa. Reprimanded. No, kuteteshwa ni abusing. If you are reprimanding someone, what do you do? It's almost the same thing. You deny them food. If they are children, you deny them food. You don't name children after them because they are wrongdoers. You demote them. If they have responsibilities, if someone is an evil doer and is an elder, you demote them, or is a warrior, you demote them. Question 2,